Over the next few minutes, we will show you what vendor activity is and how to access it. The vendor activity is one of the most useful and powerful tools to use when looking for vendor-related information. It shows relevant vendor information, including the outstanding balance, the credit limit, and the open invoice count. Let's see how to access the vendor activity. From Accounts Payable, go to AP Vendors and select Vendor Activity. We select the vendor. In the Activity tab, we can see the credit limit, outstanding balance, open invoice count, prepayment amount, and other related information. The Aging tab shows the aging information for the outstanding documents. We can view the information as of a certain date, and any documents dated after the cutoff date will not be included. Remember to click Go if you change any information. We can age by the due date or by document date. Also, we can select if we want to include transactions on hold and prepayments. In the Transactions tab, by default, we see all the outstanding transactions or documents. To see the transaction details or source document for one of the documents listed, highlight it and click Document. For every document listed, you can see the relevant dates, amounts, and more. To see which transaction have been applied against the selected document, click Open. You can now see the original amount, the applied amount, the current balance, and the list of applied transactions. If we click Details, we can see the GL distributions for this document. To see all the vendor transactions, including those that have been fully paid, select Include Fully Paid Transactions and click Go. In the Payments tab, we can see the checks written against the documents and can quickly determine whether the checks have cleared the bank or not. For example, a check for $3,752 with 52 cents has been written for this vendor from bank account CCV and it hasn't cleared the bank yet. If we click Document, we drill down to the original payment entry. If we click Open, we can see the payment details information. Now please pause this video and open the document with the exercises. This document can be found in your learning package on Sage University. In order to practice accessing the vendor activity, complete exercise 4 from the vendors lesson. Were you able to access the vendor activity tool? Congratulations! You now know what vendor activity is and how to access it.